Going over to Mike. So Mike, Chime's been known for its innovation in pretty short order, relatively young company, but already on the leading edge of technology, I would say. What does innovation look like for Chime in regards to marketing? A few questions here. What forms of marketing does Chime see as most effective for the real estate professional?
So I think to frame this properly, you've got to think about innovation as where the source of that idea or need or desire comes from. First of all, it's with partnering with folks like Jimmy and Chris and with Curator, because they are the experts in the space. I think you have to listen to your clients as well, and I think you have to understand and really listen to what they're asking for, and to see if you can solve it, or if you can solve it with partners like a Curator. And number three, you have to look at what your competitors are doing. And all the agents out there should be looking at what the best agents in their markets are doing vis-a-vis marketing, copy, what have you, and try to emulate that, but differentiate themselves at the same time. To answer the question, I think our marketing is not the front. It's not the front end. That's where folks like Curator come from, right? They're the brand awareness. They're the lead generation. They're the social media presence, right? They're driving people into the funnel. When they come to us, when we have them, we now have to differentiate ourselves in how we communicate with them once we've either touched base with them or haven't, and ongoing. Not everybody that falls into a real estate funnel is going to buy or sell real estate tomorrow. We all know that. It's a long-term game. And so marketing for what it looks like from Chime is differentiating ourselves in what we give them in terms of an experience. An IDX site that is user-friendly, the images are great. Everybody likes to go there because it's easy to navigate through. It's easy to save things. It's easy to share things. It's easy to walk through that. Then we give them what they're looking for. We give them property alerts that are exactly what they're looking for. We give those sellers comps as to what's in their locality. We're giving them what they're looking for, and we're making it easy for them. We have an AI chatbot that will interact, and it's constantly machine learning. So it's not just a basic force script kind of bot. It's actually interacting and helping them in their search, whatever that search may be, right? So our marketing it's geared toward the bottom end of the funnel, not the very bottom, but the middle to the bottom of the funnel. And we have to make sure that we're providing our clients, and we have to make sure that realtors are using the features that we have in order to keep driving them down in that funnel, whether that's a 3-month, a 6-month, a 19-month deal, which is the average amount of time a lead is in a realtor's database, 19 months. We have to make sure that our engagement is the best and it's differentiated from everything else that's out there. We just released a live streaming with YouTube and Facebook. That's going to help people today to continue to drive people through a funnel. When this curtain lifts, there's going to be somewhat of a frenzy out there, and we want to make sure our folks are best prepared for it. That's what innovation relative to marketing means for us. Not necessarily the same as a Curator. They're more the experts on the front end than we are, but that's why we have these kinds of relationships.